Application and equipment characteristics of thermal shock testing machine. The thermal shock testing machine is suitable for the adaptability test of simulated specimens such as aerospace, electrical and electronic, instrumentation, material equipment, spare parts and accessories under the condition of rapid changes in ambient atmospheric temperature, and provides reliable testing for the safety of electronic components. Performance test, product development, etc., and at the same time, through this test, product quality control and new product development, etc., can be carried out. The equipment has the following characteristics. First, high and low temperature indoor switching transfer, using pneumatic control, short switching time, short temperature recovery time, fast temperature change speed, compact overall structure of the equipment, small size, and improved temperature uniformity of the working room. But the test piece is always in dynamic. The studio cannot have test holes, so it cannot be tested with electricity, signal or air source. Second, the box structure, refrigeration system and control system are set independently, the technical indicators are stable, the operation is more reliable, and the maintenance is more convenient.